Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In the last video we have covered the basics of the React navigation, like introduction of navigation, installation part, understanding that navigation container and stack navigator, and then we navigate from one screen to another screen, and also we pass the data from one screen to another screen with the props. So today we are going to know how to use the tab navigator, and in this video I will cover the bottom tabs, like installation of the bottom tabs, creating the bottom tabs, and customize the bottom tabs also, label and icons also. So let's start with the practical. So this is my docs. I will go there. Tabs. This is the tab navigation. So first we are going to install this tab navigation. So if you know, this is my React Native navigation library, and this is the tab navigation. And just copy the command of the installation and come here and paste it. So it will take us some time to installation. And so we have done the installation part. Now we are going to use this tab navigation. So just come here. First I will create the screens also for the tabs, and here first I will create the chat screen, and then I will create the profile screen, and we are going to create the for screen also, and then explore, and we are using the home screen also. So home, chat, explore, and profile. I'm going to create the chat screen first. And just copy this command, just paste it in your chat screen. Now I'm changing the name also of the chat. We are removing these all things, just only text and chat. And then we are going to add just copy this and paste to the explore screen. And just want to change the name to the explore. And change this, explore. And this is the profile screen. Just copy your explore screen also and paste it. If you are new in the React Native, so just create every screen. It will help you to understand how to create the screen also. And also do not copy the screens like me. Now we are going to export our screen also, the index file. So this is the index file. First export and default as a explore. So we have a suggestion of the explore also, and then we have export, profile, this is my profile screen also. So this is my profile screen, and then we have export, default, we have a chat screen also. So we export our all screen also. It's a chat, profile, and explore. So we create 3 screens. So now we are going to the navigation. So this is my navigation, and there I will create a bottom tabs, bottom tabs.tsx, and just I will remove all the things from here, and also this. So now we are going to the browser. So this is the example of the bottom tab. So first we are going to copy this navigator, tab navigator. This is my tab navigator. And then I will to create after create the bottom tabs. Now we are going to copy this also and come here. And just now we are going to, so now I'm going to define the types also. Export type of the bottom tabs types, and we have home any, we have explore any, and we have a profile screen also, and chat also. We are using the TypeScript, for that reason we are doing this. Just copy. So now we are going to come here, just tab a navigator, and then we can define the tab dot screen, and just define your screen name. So tab dot screen, then name, homes, and then we have component, and also home. We should import the home also. Then we are going to tab dot screen name, and also import the another screen also, explore screen, and just and component explore. So see, this is the benefit of the index.txt file also. We can import all screen from the one line also. Tab dot screen, and name of the screen also, chat screen, and this is our last screen. The last screen is the profile screen. So we have done the bottom tab. So now I'm going to the route. So this is my route. This is my bottom tab. So now I'm going to remove my home also. Let me remove the home because we are using that also. And also initial route also, we are removing the initial route. And then I'm going to the stack dot screen, and name. I will define my type also, the bottom tab, bottom bottom. So now we are going to component and bottom. So this is our bottom tabs, and now we are going to reload our app again. This is our bottom tab. See, home screen, explore screen, and also the chat screen and profile screen. Now we are going to the bottom tabs. Now we are going to the bottom tabs to customize our bottom tabs also. So I will show, this is my bottom tabs, and first we don't want to the header also. Screen options, and this is header shown. First we are going to false the header, and see, we hide our header also. So now I'm going to the style also. In the screen option we have the tab bar style also, and we can define the heights also of the our tabs also, like a 90. See, background color, you can define the color also, red also. We do not need any customization in the tab navigator, we need only in the options. So we have an option in the tab bar. First I'm going here, option, and tab bar icon. We have import this image, And then we are import our image also, and source image path and dot home. Then we are going to assign the style also of the image, style and image width 24 and height also 24. Now I'm going to assign the icon for the explore also, and option and tab bar icon, an image. We can import our image also, and source image path. We have explore screen also. We need a styling for the explore also. I will apply the explore styling. Just copy this styling. Now let's go to the explore screen. We do not change the explore name also. And I'm going to chat screen and also profile screen name. So this is my bottom tab of the explore. See, you can see the icon. We have changed the icon of the. Now I'm going to change the icon for the chat screen also. So just copy this option and come here and paste it. I will change the icon name chat, and then I will copy the option again and just come here to the profile and change it, and just profile. So see, this is our tab bar, and we change the icon of the tab bar. So now I'm going to change the title of the tab bar also. So for that, I'm coming here and just type the title, and again just title, and then this, and here text, input the text also, and the text we should tab home tab bar. See, we can see the home. I will say home tab. This is our home tab. We also customize the home tab also, like we just type the focus also. Let me, and there is a color. Focus color will be green. If not focus, the color will be a black. This is the green, not a green. See, we can also change the icon also with the focus also. Just come here and type focused, and going to the icons. I'm just typing the home. I will show you the once. So this is our icon, PNG. So this is our icon. I will download this icon also, and so just copy this icon also. I'm going to the image path. So now I'm going to show you how to change the icon also when icon is focused. So for that, we are going to the image path, and in here we just copy the whole focus like this, and image path. So when you are clicking the other, see. So this is the bottom tabs. We customize the bottom tabs like icon and title also. In the next video, I will show you how to handle the multiple stack also, the alt stack, main stack, and also bottom tabs, top bottom tabs. So see you in next video. For now, bye bye.